What's up everyone, welcome back. So today we have I think the Last American Dynasty. I really forgot the name. Never mind, we're just gonna learn this song on guitar. I think I'm just left with 5 songs. I'm just gonna do that within the next 3 hours, so make sure to have a look, and I will be completing the full album by the next 3 hours. So let's hop into it. Have a look at the chords. The first chord will be a G major, 3, 2, open, 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 3. Next chord is a D, which is mute, mute, open, second, third, second. Then we have is a C add 9, which is basically just play a normal C major chord, which is mute, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. But just add your pinky on third fret of the B string, and also your ring on third fret of the B string. So high E string, third fret, B string, third fret. So mute, 3, 2, open, 3, 3. Simple. C add 9. So we are left with E minor 7, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's it. Now have a look at the structure. We start off with the verse, chorus, bridge, chorus. Very normal structure. So we have 2 things to learn: the verse, chorus, one part the same, another is the bridge. It's a bit different. So let's have a look at the verse. The chord progression will be a G major, D major, a C add 9, and C add 9 goes for 2 bar, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time, 2, 3, 4. So this is basically the verse. We just do 1 down, or you can even do 2 down like I did in the demonstration. So we got 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and after that we have a small lick, and then we move on to the next G. So I do hammer on from open to third on the high E string, slide to 5th fret, slide to 7th fret. So you got down, 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 rest to down, and go to G. And now for the chorus, what you can do is you can just do 4 down stroke on each chord, so it will be a bit fast. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So C add 9, you're just gonna do 8 down stroke because we have that chord 2 times. C add 9, C add 9. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and easy. So we're done with this part. Now we have the bridge, and for the bridge our chord progression will be a minor, E minor 7, G, G major, and do 4 down stroke on each chord. So it will be like, that's almost everything you need for this lesson. So if this helped you out, make sure to drop you one of these. Please subscribe guys, please, because I'm working really hard. I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. I think the vaccine is actually in process and it will come out soon, and then I'm just gonna bring something very special for you guys. So make sure to subscribe so that I can actually reach 2,000 subscribers before everything gets stable. So make sure to subscribe and just drop a comment down below, anything you just want to learn, anything. See you guys back in the next video. Have to do a lot of Taylor Swift. Bye.